Today on Packaged Food Gourmet, we're going to turn Doritos into a savory taco tart. Let's go! Are you ready? Because this is not your regular tart. This is a Doritos taco tart. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Crush up 1 2/3 cups of Doritos and pulse in the food processor until crumb size. Add in 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter or margarine. Pulse until blended. If you want a firm crust, you can add in a few tablespoons of flour. Press the Dorito mixture into a large tart baking tin. Bake for 7 minutes. Remove from the oven and set aside. While that's cooling, why not support the channel by hitting that subscribe button and giving us a thumbs up? We post a new video every Thursday at 2 p.m. Pacific Time. On the stovetop, brown your protein of choice, then add in taco seasoning. To build the tart, spread the protein layer onto the Dorito base, followed by queso cheese sauce, salsa, and a generous layer of cheese. I used mozzarella. Tell me in the comments what your favorite cheese is for tacos. Broil the tart in the oven on high for a few minutes until the cheese is golden. Allow it to cool for a few minutes while you chop some green onion. Remove the tart from the tin, then slice and top with taco sauce, sour cream, and green onion. This recipe is quick, easy, and knock your socks off delicious. Good evening.
Hello. It's so good.
Can you guess the secret ingredient?
I don't even know.
It's a Dorito taco tart.
I think this is like the best thing you've served me so far.
Oh, it's so good!
Thanks for stopping by today, and I'll see you next week.